Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your daily energies, guys, we are picking few cards. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card, Taurus. So you can choose the pile and watch that video, guys. That will come right after this daily energy. So whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think of those questions and choose the pile, guys. Don't miss on that reading because it's going to be an elaborate pick a card reading. So let's start with your daily energies, Taurus. 6 of Pentacles, 3 of Wands in reverse and 2 of Cups. With these cards, Taurus, in your situation today, you are working as a team, maybe in your work situation or in your personal life situation. You depend on people for support and help, guidance, and they depend on you in turn. So some kind of dependencies are there, and you are working as a team and progressing in a positive way. That is what I see. And today for you, you are moving towards some positive change in your personal life. Maybe this person is coming towards you with a deeper commitment, and you may have that better understanding today, or you are working towards that better understanding. And you may find that this person and yourself, you have that perfect communication, love, caring, respect for each other, and you may share that great compatibility with this person, and this person also feels that same way towards you. So you both are working towards that positive working relationship. And for some of you, it may also be something to do with your career. So you are moving towards some business collaborations, something positive, some positive progress which may push you towards the greater potential for success today, Taurus. So that is also what I see. And maybe in your situation today, or in your may not be in your present, maybe in your past, there would have been a lot of troubles and maybe some obstacles or troubles even today. But I see that you are in a position, in an advantageous position today to overcome all these disappointments or stressful situations in your life today, guys. So some positive changes are happening in your life, Taurus, and you see that all your disappointments and troubles are ending very soon, and you are seeing the path towards success today, Taurus. You are seeing the path to reach success, Taurus. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily energies. For your love reading, that reading is coming up right now, guys. You can watch that. Don't miss on that love reading, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first pile and this is the second pile. So whichever pile you want to choose, you can think of the questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, and close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and I will start the reading, guys. Right after that, you can open your eyes and go to that pile which you see first when you open your eyes. So we will start after a few minutes of silence, few seconds, guys, few seconds of silence. So let's start the reading. This is the first pile, guys. I will start with this pile. So I'll be picking one card from this deck. One card readings are very specific, guys. It will answer your questions, what you have in your mind about your situation. So this is the card. So whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think about it. I'll turn the card now. The Angel Rasbar. This card comes with a special gift for you guys. So that true gift in life is silence, and true silence is peace. It is the living experience of that divine that has nothing to be received, and it gives itself unconditionally. That silence is present in all of us at all times, and it can be accessed by that beautiful feeling heart. When you know how to feel that silence in your heart, you can surrender to it, and you can transmit it in many ways, and through that peace in your heart, in your daily living, through your presence, you can radiate it. You can radiate this peace around you to the people and to your living circumstances, guys. So this card speaks for peace and happiness to be found within yourself, and this card also comes with a special guidance in your situation today. You are progressing towards your life's purpose and divine destiny. Like a maturing person, you are ready to take up that greater responsibility, and you are stepping up, and you are assuming that responsibility with honesty and empowered expression of your true essence, whatever you are. And you are on the right path. You are making good progress, and although whatever you anticipate may not unfold immediately, it will surely happen, and you are making a positive impact in your situation to the people around you, and you are asked to proceed in this right way, in this right path, and do not give up, do not turn back. You just have to continue, take your steps, your journey, and know that that divine power or that higher power is guiding you all the way, guys. And let it be clear in your mind that this divine power is guiding you with true silence today. So maybe for some of you, if you are making some important decisions, you need to tell it out. Maybe this may not be the time. You have to wait, you have to be silent today and wait for things to unfold in its own natural course. So that is what I would tell you, and you have to remember that peace dwells within you and everything is going well as it should. So that is what I see with this card for your love reading for those who have chosen this first deck, guys. So let's see what is the card with the second deck. For those who have chosen this deck, let us see what is the card. This is the card. So regarding any questions that you have in mind about this relationship, about this situation, guys, you can think about it, and I will turn the card now. Go to the sea. To the sea. So with this card, guys, in your situation today, there are points in a relationship when you have to decide to go with the flow rather than dictate the course you share with another. So can you let go of the needs to have things your way allow this relationship itself? Maybe it is time you give importance to that other person also. It may not be the way you want this circumstance to go always. Sometimes you just have to have that combined goals and desires for both of you together to steer this relationship. And when you both transcend your personalities, allow this relationship to form on its own identity, in its own energy, it is the time to relax for you and wait for that mutual journey to take you forward in this relationship, guys. And when certain conditions appear to block you, to block your every moment, it may be really difficult to know what is right for you and what you need to do today. So sometimes when things are just blocking you, you have to just know that things will begin to flow again at the right time. There is no need for you to be worried or alarmed because of that, and you have to stop resisting and fighting against that situation, however your situation is going. So you have to relax and trust in the abundance that is coming towards you, that will reach you very soon, guys. So you have to trust how things are unfolding for you in your life today. So wait for that person, or for the natural course of events to take place. So it may not be up to your expectation, but you have to wait for it. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.